Okay, so does Google Map API worth of learning? And yeah, I'll just start it. So this is the Google Map API. If you're gonna try to like find a business on Google Map API, like you say, you're gonna make your own startup on Google Map API. Is it worth? Is it worth learning? So my answer is absolutely no. And so Google Map is free anyway, okay? It's absolutely free. You can search the same thing anyway. This so I'm like to clone the Google Map inside of Google Map API. It sounds crazy, but let's just say if you're gonna think that you can make that, so I'm gonna give you the honest opinion on this. It's absolutely waste anyway, and because the amount of money you're gonna pay for this billing account on this one is absolutely crazy anyway. So we're gonna go to the where is it. So if you're gonna try to like, you see this price, it's you're gonna start on $14, $14, $14 on in 1,000 requests starting point anyway. So basically, if you like try to code this with more or something like that, so it depends how you gonna code this. I think place. So autocomplete per request. So this is the one you're gonna pay more a lot of service. It sounds crazy, but per month, for average, let's say average, you're gonna pay $1,000. Did that make any sense, right? So you're gonna pay a lot more on Google API alone by just running the app or website anyway. You're not gonna make profit on that because it's so very expensive, okay? Google Map API, like there's like 2,000 active, not 2,000, 20 million active user contributing to this project. This kind of big, the update is real time running by Google. Of course it's so expensive, you cannot make profit on this one. So even you try to like, it's like a Google Map API clone, and you try to clone the Google Map, so it's so expensive, you cannot make profit on this one because everything is searched on on Google Map, absolutely the same anyway. And for example, on this one, if you're gonna try to make a book app, like you can search all of the hotel nearby in radius or something like that, all of the hotel possible, and get all of the information, rating, something like that. So you're using too much requests on this one, I'm not gonna lie. If you have like, let's say 100 or 2,000 active user on your app, you're gonna pay more because it's prettier. You cannot charge a Google Map, no one's gonna use it. It's absolutely useless to learn, or even you try to like, I'm not gonna say try to freelance in Google Map API. Who's gonna okay, I'm not saying it's absolute zero. Who's gonna pay for app or website that running Google API that's too expensive to run for just for the experience only? it's absolutely crazy. You're not gonna find your client paying on that. If you're gonna try to contribute on this, you should go to Google, not on small developer out there or startup. There's no way, because if you try to pull this up, you're gonna waste your time and money. Okay, I like the concept of making app on Google Map API, but no, don't. It's so expensive. So you're gonna price plan on this one, or if you can manage to, I think there's an alternative on Google Map, but it's absolutely the same. But the access request is kind of 25k access per pre tier, but you're not gonna get the best experience on Google Map API. Same like this, it's so easy to develop. You have it on the Google, on their GitHub anyway. You can read the entire code easily and make this type of thing. And yeah, so that's my, how you gonna say it, my absolute opinion on this. You cannot make profit on multi big project. You cannot get, absolutely, you're gonna pay a lot. There's no free on Google Maps. So that's the only thing I'm gonna say on this one. And yeah, see you in the next video.